Okay, Miss Stewart?
Ms. I kept the father's last name for our son.
Oh, okay. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
We were married, got a divorce a couple years back. The last 6 years of our son's life, our son's 6, have been not easy, but between us, we're pretty amicable. We get along in a lot of decisions we make together for our son. We're coming into this new decision here soon of what our son's going to go into for school and different programs.
Welcome back to Courtroom. Today we're looking at a rarity, a civil divorce that's about to hit a massive financial speed bump. We have a mother who kept her ex-husband's last name for the sake of their son, and a father who says he trusts her judgment completely. But that trust is about to be tested by an $1,100 a month private school tuition. Is this about the child's personality, or is the cost of amicable co-parenting about to become too expensive to handle? Let's dive in.
Our son's going to go into for school and different programs. He has been paying child support, but the dues that are going to come up with school are going to be more.
Okay.
And I wanted to try and get more child support, hopefully to split the difference in the cost of that.
Okay, how much is he paying you right now in child support?
$430.
Okay. And what is it that you're asking in terms of the split?
Our son's dues are going to be $1,100 for the new school.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy.
What school is this?
It's a private school, but he's a brilliant boy, and I think we've done a great job raising him. So to put him into a school that really fits his personality and his education level, I think we agree is important for him. So.
Okay. And what do you have to say about this?
Well, I kind of let her make those decisions.
In terms of the school, you're okay with the school?
In terms of the school, I'm okay. I trust her. It's actually, splitting it is going to be more on the front end, but it's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Did you catch that? She's moving for a support increase because the dues are going up. In family court, when you ask to split an $1,100 tuition, you aren't just asking for help. You're asking to redesign the entire financial structure of the divorce. He's currently paying $430, and she wants to split the difference. But in a world of rigid W-2S and court orders, splitting the difference is never as simple as it sounds.
It's actually less. I looked it up, and it's 9 months.
Okay.
At $550 will actually be less child support for me in the next year. So I'm not sure, but that's what she wanted to do, so I'm saying okay.
Okay. So you guys agree that you would split the $1,100? Is that what I'm understanding?
We agreed that we would split the schooling, but the trouble that we're coming into here is just the length of time. I don't want to go 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case. 3 months without having any child support, if that's what he's bringing to case.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Yeah, if we're talking about splitting the tuition, then we're splitting $1,100 in 9 months. That's less money for the year than if I just continued to pay child support to her. I'm okay with it, so if that's her decision.
What we're disagreeing with is just the length of time. I want to at least receive the $430 for the remaining 3 months if that's what decided. I'm not sure how that works in terms of the court, but
Yeah, unfortunately it wouldn't work like that. We wouldn't be able to do it like that because then we would be sending a withholding order to your employer for 9 months.
Wait, the father just pulled a pro-gamer move. He realized that splitting the tuition for 9 months might actually cost him less than paying monthly child support for a full year. He's basically saying, I'll take the deal before she changes her mind. But the mom realizes there's a gap. 3 months of summer where she gets zero support. This is where the amicable math starts to slip and the math starts to get messy. Watch how
a withholding order to your employer for 9 months, and then at the 3rd month have to hope that it reaches them in time enough for the 3 months for it to go down. So it doesn't really work like that. So it either has to be something you guys agree on in terms of what it is, like the amount, the $550, and it would have to continue on for the full year. I mean, you think about it like this. Those 3 months, there are going to be things that your son will probably need while he's with mom that she will be able to get.
Yeah.
Definitely daycare. I mean, that's still...
I understand she has expenses, but so basically, if she decides that he's going to go to a private school, it's my child support is going to be raised 12 months a year, even though that's a 9-month decision?
Yeah, because it has to extend through the entire year. Otherwise, based on your tax returns, I can base your child support off of what it should actually be.
No, I think we're okay.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, because
what would that look like?
Well, if we did it based off of your tax returns, again, and your W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
The judge just dropped a reality check. You can't just pause a wage withholding order like a Netflix subscription. Employers and courts move like tectonic plates, slowly. If you set the amount at $550, it stays $550. The judge is essentially telling the father, parenting doesn't take a summer vacation. But keep your eyes on the screen, because now the judge is pulling out the W-2S. When the tax
W-2, you make $62,500 a year, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so health insurance, who carries health insurance?
We split it.
Okay, good. You guys, double insured. That's very good. That's very good. So if we did your gross, how much do you pay in health insurance for the child?
I pay, mine is like $60.
$60?
$60 a month is all on.
Okay. So giving you credit for the $60, that'll bring your gross down. Let me see. Minus the $60, that will bring your gross to about, let's say $5,100. That will bring your gross to about, let's say $5,100, net at $4,156.64. How many children do you have?
I have 2 other children.
That are under the age of 18?
Yes.
Okay. So that would be 16%. Yeah, your child support would be about $665.
Yeah, I think I'm okay with I'm okay with the
$550.
The $550.
I think the $550 is good too. I think it's good too. And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition.
$62,500. That is the magic number. The judge is now calculating his potential obligation versus the deal they're discussing. This is a high-stakes moment for the dad. If the judge finds that the legal standard is $665, his budget-friendly plan of $550 is gone. We're also seeing a rare double insurance win. It's a moment of actual co-parenting. But will it survive the final calculation?
And I mean, you guys will be splitting the tuition, essentially.
Since your insurance is better than mine, just because of your occupation, is there something, I mean, I am all about protecting our son on both sides, but if he was to have full insurance over our son, is that something that we address here, or is that something that we address outside of court?
Oh no, you can do it on your own independently. You can go ahead and actually drop your insurance if you would like, because he at least is still covered under dad's insurance, and there will be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. There will be nothing wrong with that. Okay?
So we'll discuss that after. Okay.
Okay. Is that all? You guys have anything else?
I guess, when does it take effect?
It'll take effect the 1st of each month. So
if today's the 3rd, then it doesn't take effect until the 1st of next month.
Until the 1st of next month, yeah. Okay. All right. If there's nothing further you all are doing.
He took the $550 deal. So fast, it probably left skid marks on the floor. He knew that $665 was a real legal hammer, and he dodged it by staying amicable. In the end, they found a way to make private school happen without a total legal blowout. It's a win for the kid, a win for the parent's sanity, and a rare day where a courtroom feels like a solution rather than a battlefield. Was this a fair trade, or should he have been ordered to pay the full $665?